Hi, my name is Zach. I'm systems admin here at Fortnine. A lot of what I do is centered around, security, permissions. The hardware sometimes gets damaged, broken. There's a lot of wear and tear. There's so much movement happening that wear and tear is just inevitable in a warehouse. Because I'm always in that dirt bike setting and stuff like that, and going to the track, and I'm with other people who are spending the same money I'm spending, you know what I mean? They're all buying parts and whatever. They see Fortnine as a storefront, like everybody else, but that's not the case. What we really are is we are like a software-based company, and there is so much of Fortnine that is automated and streamlined through our software that a lot of people just kind of don't see that. I also make content with the marketing team centered around dirt and superbikes. And snap. Like the Woo said, protect your neck. I was never used to being in front of a camera, and it's something that it's learned, you know what I mean? It's learned through practice. And so that was one side of things. And being able to portray that same passion and that same confidence when I'm just talking side by side with somebody or being in front of the camera. Yeah. So that's one thing. And the second thing is, the comments is something to get used to. People's feedback, you get a lot of positive, but you also get a lot of negative. Like the real common one is the where's Ryan? Really? Especially when I first started making the short content and stuff like that. It's a lot of fun ripping around on dirt bikes, man. It's, for a job, it's fantastic. You're here to do something, as long as you do it, no one's ever breathing down your neck, like I said, and it's a completely new culture that I'm not really used to. But it's been fantastic, it really hits you by surprise that such a big company is so small in terms of people, and because of that, everyone is just very close. There's no real, actual, tangible hierarchy to this, Everyone's just chill, everyone's cool, everybody knows what they gotta do, and everybody does it by the time they leave.